How many have we got?
3. 1, 2, 3.
Okie dokie.
Got 3, 4, 5,
3. Okay.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, 11.
Yeah.
Any more?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's a R.
you want to count them?
Yeah.
Go on then.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good girl. That's it.
5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to get that last bit.
Okay, baby.
After.
Mhm.
4, 5, 6, 8.
Says 7.
7.
Yeah. 8, 9, 10, yeah?
Oh no. Dust. No pitties up top here.
Oh, you need to show me how to do it. Where should we put the green one? Let's put the green on top of the yellow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's it. Push it down at the back as well, because it's not quite down. Good girl. That's it.
Put these on.
Mhm.
Blue.